I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by CryptoCloaks.com, your one-stop shop for custom 3D printed Bitcoin merch. You can head to CryptoCloaks.com right now and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off.
I think it's interesting that the Fed has backed off from the word transitory. That used to be, so inflation, the whole transitory argument, and they're realizing, oh wait, actually the people aren't even believing us now. We need to move, we need to try a new tactic. And so, put in other terms, people are starting to cotton on to the fact of inflation. When the masses slowly start to wake up and realize the problem of inflation, whoa, get ready, because people will start to do all sorts of things, whether that is, right, running into stocks and property and so on, but most importantly, Bitcoin as the solution, as the answer to the problem of fiat money and central banking. So these people, they just talk nonsense, right? They just spew diarrhea out. They just spew random, spew out, and basically they do baffle them with bullshit, right? That's their strategy. They just put out words and kind of, oh, this is quantitative tightening and asset program and the whatever LARP program, whatever thing. At the end of the day, how much money did they print? How much money did they enable to be printed? Them plus the government plus the financial system, the banking system that enables all this money printing. Ultimately, I'm bullish because more and more people are starting to realize that inflation is not just transitory. That now the powers that be will try to say, oh look, they're gonna move to the next goalpost shift, right? They're gonna start saying, oh no, inflation is good, right? That's the next one. So at the start it's, oh, inflation isn't happening. Oh yeah, it's only a little bit. Oh yeah, it's transitory. Oh no, inflation is good, right? And we've seen that. There have been some articles out there where some regime supporting useful idiot is out writing about how inflation is good. Well, it's not, and people are realizing it.